Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so every once in a while I like to do these kind of motivational type of videos. It's been a while since we've done them. So I'm actually here in Glasgow. I'm actually looking to rent some office space. I'll give you a small tour towards the end of the video. So I've been in this business for just over 6 years. Been trading with a live account for just over 5 years, and I've seen so many people come and go. So many people come and go. People start with this renewed ambition, renewed drive, renewed energy to do something great. Because the reason that people come into this business is because they want to enhance their life, they want to change their life, they want to bring value to their life. And that there's many different aspects of that. Financially, of course, they want to grow financially. They want to spend less time working for somebody else. You know the score at this stage. But where are you all? Where have you gone? You know, this is the thing that I keep coming back to, and I've been pushing out this message now for 4 years. As a matter of fact, we're in July, so 4 years ago I actually launched my YouTube channel and my Instagram roughly around this time period, and I've been saying the same things for 4 years now. You know, people come into this, you know, they're full of drive, full of ambition, you know, they visualize their success, and when the going gets a little bit tough, what do? They run off. Quitters do not win. Let me say that again. Quitters do not win. Why do you think I have won in this business? I've been in this business full time for almost 4 years. In October I'll have been in this business as a full-time trader for 4 years. Why do you think that is? Is it because I'm special and that you're not? Do you think that I'm more intelligent than you? Do you think that I have a higher IQ than you? The answer to all of those questions is no. Absolutely not. I am no different to anybody else that is sitting in their kitchen or their bedroom or their car or whatever watching this video. I'm no different. I'm no better than anybody else that is out there trying to do this, or anybody else out there that is going to watch this video. It just doesn't exist, right? But there is one thing that sets me apart from most of you out there, and that's my drive and my willingness to just turn up every single day. Every single day I turn up. Do you honestly think every day that I wake up that I'm thinking to myself, fantastic, I can't wait to get stuck in today? No, there's days where I cannot be bothered. I think to myself, I just can't be bothered with this today. But you know what? I know that that's what sets me apart from everybody else, because when I feel like I don't want to do something and I know that I should do it, guess what I do? I do it. And that's the difference. That's my mindset. Even when I don't feel like doing it, I still get up and do it. And that's the mindset of a winner. Turning up every day. I've been saying it for years. People ask me, what's the secret to success in this business? And it's an off-the-cuff remark. Just turn up every day. Just turn up every day, and it'll get easier. You'll become more consistent, you'll become more educated, you'll become more aware. And people say, okay, I'll turn up every day. That lasts for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. They don't see the results immediately. What do? They give up. So if you want to know what the secret to success is, there is no particular secret. Like, it's not complex, it's quite easy. You turn up every day, day after day after day, even when you don't want to, even when you don't feel like doing it. You turn up every day. Do you know what it's called? It's called discipline. Have you heard of that word? Discipline. You know, the thing, what happens every January when you say to yourself, I'm going to watch my diet, I'm going to go to the gym. You probably don't even last the month, do you? 2 weeks in, you wake up and it's raining or it's cold or it's snowing, and you think to yourself, I can't be bothered today. then it's snowing and rain the next day. What do you say the next day again? Can't be bothered today. And then that just rolls on and on and on. Your diet. Can you say no to that bag of donuts that's sitting in your office at work? Or in your house? Can you say no to those bag of donuts? I'm gonna say no, because you lack discipline. You see, you can't have discipline in one area in your life and not have it in another. It has to be combined. It has to be your diet, it has to be your mindset, it has to be your training. Now, I'm not talking about if somebody has an addiction, that's a completely different thing, okay? Because an addiction is not what I'm talking about here, okay? I'm talking about discipline with diet, with food, okay? That's what I'm talking about. So let's put the addiction to one side, because that's not part of this conversation. You ask anybody that has seen success in their life, whether it's somebody that trades the stock market, somebody that plays football, an athlete, a boxer, snooker player, chess player, martial artist, they'll all tell you the same thing. Just turn up every day. That's all you have to do, is turn up every day. But you don't do it. You don't turn up every day. Your attention span is so minute. That's what I'm saying. The youngsters of today, you would rather sit and scroll through TikTok and look to see where the best chicken balls are in your city, or where the best burger is, right? Or where the best pizza is. You would rather do that than put the work in. And then you wake up every day complaining to yourself that you're not happy with your current life. Now, when I say current life, I'm not talking about your life as a whole. We're specifically focusing here on work. So if you get up every day and you hate your job, well, who's to blame for that? What did you spend last night doing? What did you spend last night doing? How many hours did you spend on TikTok scrolling through the best chicken balls in the city? Or watching Netflix, or probably doing the two. You're probably watching Netflix and scrolling through TikTok. And then you just give yourself excuses. I don't have time. Oh, you don't have time, really? Okay. So you probably work for 8 or 9 hours a day. You probably sleep for 8 hours a day. How many hours are left? So what are you doing with the rest of your time? You come home, you prepare food, you get your groceries, you do your laundry, you still have time left. Oh, I don't have time. Yeah, but you've got time for 2 hours a night to sit down and scroll through TikTok and watch Netflix. So who are you trying to fool? Who is it you're trying to fool? You're trying to give yourself excuses to not put the work in. Today's Saturday and it's 9 a.m. I don't care if it's Saturday, I don't care if it's Sunday. I decided that I've been really busy recently, so I've not had an opportunity to do this YouTube video. I've been wanting to do it all week, but I've not had the opportunity. But here I am Saturday morning in here doing this. Why? Because I know what it takes to be a winner. I know what it takes to be successful. You turn up every day. Discipline, discipline, discipline. The message is the same, guys. I've been sending out the same message for the last 4 years. Turn up every day and become disciplined, and eventually you will see success. What is the time scale of that success? Well, how long is a piece of string? Okay, but eventually you will see success if you turn up every day. Now, how many times do you guys need to hear this? How many times are you going to have somebody hold you by the hand? It shouldn't take me to motivate you to do what you know you should be doing. It should be self-motivation. I don't wait for somebody to motivate me. When I got up this morning, I still got up at 7:30, and it's a Saturday. Yeah, it's self-motivation. Had breakfast, took a shower. Now I'm in here at 9 o'clock. Nobody motivated me to do this. That's called self-motivation. It's called discipline. So I will leave you with that, guys. Turn up every day. Self-motivation, self-discipline. That's the secret to success. So we're actually here in the University of Glasgow. I'm actually teaching some foreign national students my approach to the stock market. I was really hoping that we could do a video with the students involved, but because of privacy contracts that they've signed, unfortunately we can't put any students on camera. A lot of these foreign national students are from high profile families, China, the US, so they just can't be on camera. It would have been great to do a video with the students, but I'm still gonna maybe try and get something, but we'll see. So, because I know that you guys are seeing me in the University of Glasgow. What's he doing? Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm teaching. Okay, so discipline, discipline, discipline. Turn up every day. Turn up every day. Turn up every day. Self-motivation, self-motivation, self-motivation. Are we going to be having this conversation in 12 months' time again? I would imagine so, because you lack discipline. You lack self-motivation. You lack dedication. See you guys again for another video. I'll come back in 12 months' time again to re-motivate you, because you can't motivate yourself.